Hello. Today we're going to be taking a look at our directory search application. This particular instance we're going to be walking through is used in the healthcare industry, specifically to help patients locate a provider office. Before we start, just a little bit of information about the application. It is a web-based application that runs in modern browsers. The application was built to accept ETL feeds from multiple data sources and consolidate them into a single data store. This allows for the application to provide a quick and consistent view into your provider data. For mobile clients, the application was built as a responsive web and runs on all devices without any setup or application installs. What we are looking at right now is the main landing page. Depending on your business needs, this page can default to a base search criteria such as line of business, product, or network. You have multiple options for searching, such as the type of person or type of place, or you can choose to search for a specific provider or, of course, all the providers in the directory. Optionally, you can provide an address as a starting point in case you are looking for an office nearby work, home, or some other location. This works against an address validation database to provide a type-ahead functionality for direct addresses, cities, or zips. Now I'll go ahead and I'll execute a search to look for some primary care providers in the Long Beach area. Looking at the search results, the first thing to note is the number of locations displayed on the top along with the initial base search criteria. Paging is supported. The user can specify the number of results per page and will find the pager at the bottom of the search results. To further refine the search results, filters are available. These are based on the data returned from the initial search, so the user is only filtering on data that is applicable to their search at this point. Clicking on the Choose link at the top of each panel will show the filter options. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to filter down further to Long Beach, and then I'm going to go ahead and close this and pick my specialty of internal medicine. At this point, you can see the results are down to 4 matches. Looking at the actual search results, we see a high-level view of the provider and office location, which provides basic demographics and a quick overview of some office features, such as noting if the office is handicap accessible or if it is near mass transit. The user can drill in further to the details by clicking the View Full Profile button. Here we see some additional information about the provider and office, including their hospital affiliations, office hours, and key provider identifiers. From either the summary or the detail view, the user can link to Google Maps to see directions and transportation options. If the user wants to download or print the results, they can use the Print Save button to download a PDF of their current result set. Results are displayed in a format similar to a printed provider directory. This concludes our demo for today. Thanks for watching.